continuation with my GCSE Chemistry videos, I am doing a video on the flame test for metals, and it should be a very short one and summarise everything you need to know. So, we can use a range of chemical tests to identify elements and the elements within a compound. So the specific test we can use to identify metal ions is using the flame test. So just a side note, positive metal ions are called cations. All metal ions are positive. So we can use flame tests to identify the following cations: lithium, sodium, potassium, calcium and copper. And the reason we can specifically identify these cations is because they have a distinctive flame colour. Other metal cations don't. And just another note that transition metals do also give off colour. So, how do we do the flame test? So first of all, you need to clean the wire loop. And this is done by dipping it in concentrated HCl and then heating it to clean it. This should be done again to thoroughly clean it. Next, you need to put a small amount of the compound. So you do this by dipping it into the metal, and this is done on a nichrome wire loop. So the metal compound will be tested then in the roaring blue flame of the Bunsen burner. And this is done by turning, the dial at the bottom of the Bunsen burner until it's fully open. I'll show you on the next slide with the diagram. But then we use the colour of the Bunsen flame, which has changed from the roaring blue colour, to identify the metal ion in the compound. So here can you see there's the Bunsen burner in the diagram and it's fully open at the bottom, and we put the nichrome wire loop in the roaring blue flame, and that allows the unknown substance to be tested. So you need to know these colours that are formed from the cations. So the lithium ion is red, the sodium ion is yellow, the potassium ion is lilac, and the calcium ion is orangey red colour, and the copper 2+ ion is a blue-green colour. Just another note, the calcium should be 2+, just notice that now. But yeah, that's all you need to know about flame tests, and subscribe for more advice and revision content. So thank you for watching.